Remember that you are not going to do 3-4 MBAs, right? You are going to do an MBA only once, right? And if you are doing it only once, you need to ensure that you need to choose the right MBA program, right?
Domain role will also expand accordingly. So if your position is going higher, like you're climbing up the ladder, you're getting promoted, so your job role is definitely going to include all the domains also.
So I will not be limited to some particular domain. I have to.
Yeah, when you climb the ladder, right? That's what I'm saying. When you join fresher, you go for the particular domain. But when you're promoted in the certain organizations, your job role also, differs. And the requirement as per the job roles, you have to perform a number of, multitasking jobs also.
You ask yourself that what are you going to achieve with your MBA? MBA karna hai, theek hai, fine. But after 2 years, what you want to do? What profession you want to get in? You want to have your own business? You want to start your own venture? You want to go into marketing, finance? Decide that first. And promotions are based on your skills, right? Does not matter if somebody working with you is getting it or not getting it. Okay, I've worked in the industry for 7 years. Don't work for promotion. Work because you like it. It's basic. At the end of the day, I know money is important. Money matters. And for your generation, it is going to matter. That is where it is going to come to an end, right? But promotion is something which will happen after 3 years you join some company.
But the point is, आप उसे किस तरीके से डील करते हैं, आपके कैसे रिलेशंस हैं, नॉट इवन विद बॉस, बल्कि आपके अपने बाकी कोलीग से, बाकी सबऑर्डिनेट से. दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू लर्न. टीम वर्क इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये आपके लिए एक क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए कि आप किस तरीके से अपने आप को अपग्रेड करते हैं, अपनी स्किल्स किस तरीके से एनहांस करते हैं. मल्टीटास्किंग आप लोगों को बनना पड़ेगा.
ग्रेजुएट करने के बाद आई वांट टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर, आई वांट टू स्टार्ट अप माय ओन बिजनेस. ठीक है, I just want to tell you one thing is that you will pick up the courses, you will learn about business. That, it's a must that you should learn about business in a business school when you have to start off with your own business. Most importantly is the idea. If you don't have an idea, you cannot do a business no matter what. और अगर आप देखोगे, some of the most successful business people in the world, they are either school dropouts or college dropouts. If you look at that, your idea, joy, and the desire to succeed, apart from the business idea, apart from what your learnings from different courses, is going to take you forward. And also look for the initial support. That is very important.
First, your academic knowledge. Second, your behavioral, communication and writing skills. And third one is your social fit. So now what you can do, you work on your behavioral, communication and writing skills. Okay, and read, understand the society, because if you want to entrepreneur, you have to deal with the society. Social knowledge is very important. So admission लेने के पहले, पढ़ने से पहले आप ये सब चीज़ों पे काम कर सकते हो.